Let's see. There it is. 100 was the high today. Get used to that. This is about as good as it's going to get through at least early next week.
Can't wait.
It's just going to get hotter and hotter. 97 is the normal. By the way, today is the last day of summer that the normal high is 97. It begins its drop tomorrow, so you have that to look forward to, I guess, even though the actual air temperature is going to be much hotter. 81 degrees the low this morning, so we've gotten rid of those comfortable lows. Right now it's 99 at DFW, feels like 104. A heat advisory will go back into effect tomorrow. And I was saying earlier, the heat advisory, it says Thursday, but Friday, Saturday, Sunday into next week, very likely. Even there's a chance for an excessive heat warning at some point. But heat indices 105 to 110. Eventually those will get even hotter for parts of North Texas. Something else to keep in mind. Elevated fire danger, especially west of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. You have the hot temps, you have low humidity in this area, less than 30%, and we've been drying out. You know, it's been a while since we've had a good widespread significant rain, especially areas to the west. So that's where we're seeing grass fires like Matt reported on at the top of the show. That could start getting worse in the next 7 to 14 days because we have very little to no rain chances, and highs are going to be above 100 at least the next 7 to 10 days. So there it is. I wanted to show you that too. The normal tomorrow 96. Today was 97. Normal tomorrow 96. And then by Wednesday of next week, it goes down to 95. But we're going to be between 101 and 105 with heat index values between 105 and 113 over the next 7 days. We are dry in North Texas. Get used to that as we look through the next 7. And I said too, you could really bring this map through the next 14 days and it's going to look about the same. Not much rain here in Texas. You got to go farther to the north, farther to the east to see any sort of significant rain. To the tropics, just an update here on Ernesto that has brought very heavy rain, flooding to Puerto Rico, strong winds. The center of this north of Puerto Rico with winds of 75 miles per hour. This does not make landfall in the lower 48. Bermuda in the path of this could be a Category 3 hurricane as it approaches Bermuda. Friday afternoon, winds in excess of 110, so 115, that's a major Category 3 hurricane. Bermuda, somewhere around a Cat 2, close to a Cat 3. And then we'll have to watch as it moves toward Nova Scotia and Newfoundland and Canada, may bring them some even hurricane force winds. By next Monday, it still has winds of 90 miles per hour as a Category 1. Tonight, 82, clear, warm, breezy, muggy. Tomorrow, hot, humid, and breezy. Today was 100. We're going to go 101 tomorrow with mostly sunny skies. There's the 14-day. And there you, come on. I mean, that's it. I'm over it. I don't know what else to say. There you have it. It's, 100 plus degrees over the next 14, 7 to 10. Then maybe we go into the upper 90s for a little stretch there toward the end of August. But yeah, little to no rain chances. I just, for the first time noticing here.
Look at the wind.
Well, yeah, the wind. Well, that and the grass is actually starting to get, a little yellow in some spots.
Yeah, we could use the rain.
I talked to a friend of mine today.
We could really use the rain.
Don't get into that. I talked to a friend of mine today who we're just as impressed that the grass in a lot of North Texas is still green. And this time of the year, that's pretty impressive.
I think it absorbed a lot of, like you said, that moisture from July. And so that's always good to hear. Well, hey, it's going to be hot. Enjoy the final weeks of misery leading up to False Fall.